In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hubspot lists. Having the ability to effectively use Hubspot lists is a game changer for segmenting your contacts based on specific criteria. This becomes incredibly useful for tailoring your email campaigns, refining your workflows, enhancing your reporting, and personalizing your communication strategies. Let's start by understanding the two types of lists you can create in Hubspot. The first type is active lists. These are dynamic and update automatically when contacts either meet or no longer meet the set criteria. This is particularly useful for keeping your list current without needing to manually adjust it each time. The second type is static lists. Think of static lists as a snapshot of your contacts at a specific moment in time. They don't update on their own, so they're great if you need a fixed list for a specific purpose. Now, let's walk through the process of creating a list. First, you need to navigate to the HubSpot website by typing www.hubspot.com into your browser. Click on Login to access your account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the CRM menu, and from there click on Lists. At the top right corner, you'll see an orange button labeled Create List. Go ahead and click that. You'll then be prompted to choose between creating an active or a static list based on your needs. Once you've made your choice, it's time to name your list. Be specific with your naming so that it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan on creating multiple lists. Next comes an important step, setting your list filters. Filters are the heart of your list because they define who gets included. You can filter by various criteria such as contact properties like lifecycle stage or location, email activity like opened or clicked emails, website behavior such as visiting a specific page, form submissions, or even current list memberships. To make your lists even more precise, you can combine filters using and/or logic. This allows you to fine-tune your criteria. For instance, you might want to include contacts who are both in a certain location and have opened any marketing emails in the past month. After you've set your filters to your satisfaction, click on the Save List button. Once you save it, HubSpot begins populating your list in accordance with the criteria you've specified. And there you have it, a well-segmented list ready for whatever marketing or outreach activities you need to conduct. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you get started with HubSpot lists effectively. Keep optimizing your contact segmentation and watch your engagement rates rise.